What's the meaning of cruelly? Cruelly. Cruelly.
Cruelly. Cruelly. Cruelly means to do something in a way that causes pain or suffering to others. The result of cruelty can be devastating, causing physical or emotional harm to the victim. It creates a sense of powerlessness and fear in the person being targeted, and can lead to long-lasting psychological trauma. Cruelty can take many forms, such as bullying, harassment, physical abuse, emotional manipulation, or neglect. It is important to recognize and speak out against cruelty in all its forms, and to promote kindness, empathy, and respect towards others.